Hello, welcome to my shop again. Here's another in our Tuesday tips series. Show you how I evaluate the shape of roughing out a natural edge bowl. All right, have a chainsaw cut on both sides here, over here, and over here. So I can test that by putting my finger here and then going where the flat spot is of the chainsaw, and I can measure this distance, and I can come over here and I can measure this distance, and that's pretty good. I'm equal on both sides where my chainsaw cuts. That means when I rough this down into a bowl shape here, that I don't have uh, a lot of wood on one side and a chainsaw cut on the other side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell on your way out. And please support my sponsor, Thompson Tools, Hunter Tools, and Starbond Adhesives. See you next time.